make it quick and easy to go through each contact and to categorize them, first go into the contact menu, hitting the drop down, going over to contacts, and then you'll arrive here. If you arrive at the search page, which looks like this, then having nothing in the search fields and just hitting search will take you to every contact anyway. Once you're in your list of contacts, you can change the fields that turn up here. And the reason why you'd want to do that is because you can also just hit the pencil and make quick changes without having to go into the contact record, letting it load, go across their tabs, and then doing whatever you need to do. Also, you've got the option of making some changes using these drop-down menus here. For example, you can add or remove them from campaigns, tags, and so on, tasks, notes. What we're going to do quickly here is we're going to change some of the fields that appear here so that you can quickly make changes that you need to on bulk. So what we do is quickly go to the edit criteria and columns. Then we come over to columns on the right here. And then in that search field, you can see that we've got everything that's being displayed in the custom columns area and everything that's available to be displayed. Now, first name and last name are automatically in there, so you probably won't have to put that in. But here we wanted to see the company name, the email, the region that they're in, the person type, the status, and the time slot that we've got them in. Scrolling right to the bottom will get you to all your custom fields. So we probably want to put in maybe last meeting date, and perhaps the group that they've been invited to. Okay, and just clicking that little button will shove it across. Now we can reorder them by using these arrows here, but they get shown across and it shouldn't matter too much. But we've got last name and we're sorting by last name and then by first name. But you can change that. You can have descending, etc. All right, so we're going to just click OK. And that's then added those details in here. Okay, so to then change whatever you want to change in here, we can just click the drop down and make a selection. This one was a list where you can just hold control and select multiple if they go to more than one of the groups. Okay, thank you very much.